Ever feel like home organization is just too overwhelming? Well, here's the secret. You don't need to tackle everything at once. Let's take it one shelf at a time, literally. Welcome back to Life Tips. Today, I'll show you how just organizing a single shelf can make a huge difference. Small wins, big results. First things first, pick your target. This could be a kitchen shelf, a bathroom cabinet, or even that closet shelf where random stuff tends to pile up. It doesn't matter where you start. The key is picking just one spot. Today, let's work on this, say, pantry shelf. Step 2 is simple, clear it out. Yep, every single item off the shelf. Then, sort them into 3 piles, keep, toss, and donate. You might be surprised how much space you'll create just by saying goodbye to the things you don't need. Now, let's give that shelf a fresh start. Grab a damp cloth and wipe it down. This is a quick win that makes your space feel new and inviting. Plus, it's easier to keep things organized on a clean slate. Step 4. Plan and place items thoughtfully. Alright, now that we're clutter-free, it's time to think about what goes back on the shelf and how. Group similar items together, like all your spices in one spot or all your toiletries. If you have small containers or bins, use them to keep things tidy and accessible. Step 5. Add a touch of style. Here's the fun part. Add a little personality. A small plant, a pretty label, or even a tiny decorative item can make your shelf feel intentional and stylish. It's the small touches that make organizing fun. Step 6. Admire your work and feel the difference. Now take a step back and admire your work. This one shelf may seem small, but when it's neat and organized, it instantly makes the whole room feel better. Remember, organizing doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small steps, one shelf at a time, lead to big results. Thanks for organizing with me today. Don't forget, you can do this anywhere in your home, one small area at a time. If you loved today's tips, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. What shelf are you tackling next? Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, satisfying ways to organize your space, one step at a time. Until next time, remember, small wins add up to big changes.